Yuga's revenue last year reached a whopping $127 million, a figure it anticipates will reach $455 million by 2022, largely from the sale of virtual land. NFTs pioneer Yuga Labs, which was valued at $4 billion in a funding round led by Andreessen Horowitz last month, the studio behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club startup, are set to make $300 million in Metaverse land sales in 1.5 hours this weekend, in what is expected to be the largest ever non-fungible token launch. Each deed, which will give the holder rights to land within a game that has not yet been released or even widely previewed, will cost 305 ApeCoin. The Yuga Labs Metaverse game world will allow holders of other popular NFT collections, such as CryptoPunks and Meebits, which Yuga Labs recently acquired, along with other notable NFT collections like Cool Cats, World of Women, Nouns, and Cryptodes, to play as the characters they own within the Otherside, similar to such NFTs for the Sandbox and Decentraland. Tech companies from Facebook parent Meta to Fortnite developer Epic Games are betting billions of dollars that the metaverse, a three-dimensional virtual world, will become the next big multi-use computing platform. The metaverse is billed as the next evolution of cyberspace, where human beings will be immersed in a 3D world of avatars inside different types of Arkansas VR gadgets and accessories. The future metaverse, in what some in Silicon Valley is widely referred to as Web3. The term metaverse, meta and universe, often describes the anticipated future iteration or evolution of the internet, powered by Web3 technologies like blockchain and decentralized resource distribution and consumption principles. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. The price of ApeCoin almost doubled past week, according to CoinMarketCap.com. It rose from around $14 to a peak of almost $27 on Thursday, before falling back to around $22 on Friday. The starting price of a Bored Ape is now close to its all-time high at around 150 ETH, or more than $400,000, after originally going on sale for around $250 a year ago. The coins can now be bought or traded by just about any investor in the major cryptocurrency changes, such as Binance, FTX, and Coinbase. While the first NFT drop is happening today, it's unlikely that a functional game will be ready to launch anytime soon. Animoca's own metaverse game, The Sandbox, has been selling land plots for a couple years now, and that Ethereum game still isn't open to the public. But by issuing NFTs, Yuga can fuel the hype cycle and generate trading in advance of the eventual launch. Yuga will hold the mint for author deeds on Saturday, April 30th, with a total of 55,000 NFTs available for purchase. They can only be purchased with ApeCoin, Ape, and will sell for 305 Ape apiece, that's about $6,100 as of this writing. The sale will start at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, via the official Otherside website. However, not just anybody will be able to buy an author deed at this point. Yuga and Animoca opened a mysterious website in March that required people to register an Ethereum wallet and complete Know Your Customer, kick checks, and only people who successfully completed that process will be able to purchase one of the 55,000 NFT deeds. People who completed the process will need both Ape and ETH for gas fees in the approved wallet to purchase author deeds. Yuga will let people buy up to 2 author deeds in a single transaction in the first wave, but will expand the limit over the course of the sale, depending on the level of Ethereum gas fees. Bored Ape and Mutant Ape holders, among others, will likely have access to land near the center of the metaverse, whereas non-members of the Yuga Labs ecosystem will have normal land. It's rumored that 10% of all landowners will randomly get paired with a coda, a rare celestial being, but resources are also paired to land plots, too. Given the social capital behind Bake and Make, it's likely that Otherside will be profitable in the short term. However, this depends on the extent to which Yuga Labs meets everyone's expectations. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.